We live in Lake Worth. My hobby is I build toys, model stuff. So I spent a lot of time in the garage. I started out making stools, and then I made toy banks, with animals. Did a couple of grandfather clocks, and now I'm making hot rods. The main thing that brought me in here is my legs were getting cramped, and I could hardly walk, and it got so bad, the pain was so bad that I guess I had to say, all right, it was just the fact that I could do it right here, and I don't have to go in the hospital atmosphere, and it was very friendly. He went somewhere in this area through the wrist, and he wound up down this leg, then down this leg, and hospitals, they send you, they knock you out totally. But here, he just uses as much sedative or whatever it is as he has to keep you sort of groggy a little bit, And then you go into, when he's all done, a couple hours, I don't know the time-wise, you're ready to go home. It amazed me, it's like a miracle.
The goal of all these procedures is to get people back to a level of quality of life that they're enjoying their legs. Otherwise, we're just doing cosmetic angioplasty, and I'm not into that. Opening arteries is nice, but getting people back to what they want to be able to do, enjoying life, especially with their loved ones, that's what this is all about, man.
Yeah, you succeeded with me.